Hello and welcome to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Sophie. For those of you that have caught my videos previously, welcome back. My channel's all about hair care, hair wellness and hair growth. So if you do like what you see in today's video, please do be sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. In this video, I'm talking all things DIY hydration hair cream, and today I'm showing you how you can make a cream, a hair cream, in around about 15 minutes with things that you may have in your cupboard and just something that you can use that's all natural. So in my previous video, I spoke about all things moisture and how to keep the hair moistured throughout the week. I did but kind of review on the products that I really focus on. I like to keep a staple routine. I don't really like to change up the products that I do use. I think if you do see results in your hair growth, then I really believe in actually sticking to what you think will actually achieve your results. So I not only did a review on some products that I use in my routine, but I also recommended actually making your own products. So in this video today, I'm doing a tutorial on things that I have in my own cupboard, and this is something that you can do yourself, and this is mainly for people who would prefer to actually use their own products or want to know what's in their products, that don't want to worry about having to pronounce different things on the back of a bottle. So that's what I'm going to be showing you now. These are my products for today. You may want to do your own kind of spin on it, but I'm using these for today. So the first one is extra virgin olive oil. So with extra virgin olive oil, it not only moisturizes the hair, but it reduces scalp irritation and dandruff. Not only that, it promotes hair growth and penetrates the hair follicles. The next ingredient is ground flax seeds. You can use linseeds where you just boil them up and make them into a gel, which I've done before, but today I had this in my cupboard. So flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, and they're essential for healthy hair growth, and they nourish the hair follicles and the hair shaft, making them stronger and less prone to damage. My next key ingredient is coconut milk. It contains all the essential nutrients required for healthy hair, and it boosts your hair follicles to promote hair growth. Lastly, hibiscus powder. So hibiscus thickens and adds volume to the hair. It controls frizz, dryness and breakage, and it also prevents split ends. So firstly, I'm going in with my coconut milk, and with this I'm going to be blending it because I want it to be a more thicker consistency than what it comes out in the can, and it just makes it nice and smoother. I'd recommend using a bullet so it gets even more creamier. Cream's now in the fridge. I go on to put my measuring jug onto some hot water. Now that it's heated, I go in and I put my olive oil, about 3 tablespoons of olive oil onto the heat. I then add my flaxseed, so 2 tablespoons of that. And then what I'm doing is I'm just trying to get them heated up, so I'm not just putting them in fresh from the packet. I then go in with half a tablespoon of my hibiscus, and I actually just melt them together. I don't want them to be like too grainy in the cream, because then it's just going to be harder to wash out the hair. And I'm mixing this with a plastic spoon just until it gets to a certain texture that I do really like, and then it just makes things a lot more smoother. Tell a lie, I'm using a plastic knife. So normally you can buy linseeds from the packet and boil it up, but today I'm using the actual powder, and it actually does have the same benefits. I do love to make the gel myself, so I'll link that in my description. Now that I've done all that, I've actually just blended them, the cream and my oil paste together. And then I go in and strain the actual cream with the oil and the flaxseed and the hibiscus. So this just makes sure that I get any particles out. Again, I don't want it to be too grainy, and yeah, it just ensures for an easier application. So to get it even thicker, I'm going in with Genni's Caribbean Organic Virgin Coconut Oil. So this makes it get even more thicker and creamier. And I weren't really happy with the texture of it because I still found there was a few more grains. So I'm straining this with a cheesecloth, and then this has just come out even more smoother. So now I go on to adding it to my jar. So with this, I will store this in the fridge. There are things where you can put preservatives in it to make it last. The coconut milk must be used within 4 to 5 days, so I'd say use it on your first application of your hair wash, just so you know that it's fresh and that also it doesn't spoil. So this is the result, and it just looks absolutely beautiful with the hibiscus. So now it's ready to use. So that is it. That is how I make my hydrating hair cream. That's something that you can use throughout the week. I like to tend to do like 1 day a week where I'm taking my hair down and then actually just giving my hair that refresher. So that's something that you can do from home. I'd say keep that refrigerated and keep it no longer for a week. There are products that you can use that can preserve it. So that's something that I'll link a video actually that may be useful in how to preserve the creams. So thank you for tuning in, and I do hope you can catch my next video. So please again do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button. Take care. Bye bye.